I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video, I'm actually about to wash my hair and just wanted to take you guys along because a lot of people always be like, how you wash locks? How you do this? So I figured, why not show you guys how I wash my locks? What you want to do first is make sure you have some ponytail holders, okay? You want to have these type of ponytail holders. You can get them from Whole Foods. You can get them from Amazon. You can get them from your Asian beauties, your local Asian beauty supply store. What I already did was I already put some water on my roots. I like to shampoo my hair out of the shower. When I'm out the shower, I feel like to me I get the best clean. What I do is I'm actually in the bathroom. I always do it in the bathroom, and I turn my water on hot. Like I said, I'll rub water in my roots, really focusing on the roots. I'm going to focus on the locks, but I'm really focusing on the roots. I already put it in sections in the back. I always put it in sections in the back. So all these sections are very mandatory. I'm one of the ones I don't like putting my head in the sink. Like, I don't know. It just makes me feel nauseated. Even when people used to go to the hair salon and you put it inside that sink, I don't like it at all. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, you guys, when you are shampooing locks, let me turn this, hold on. I'm going to go ahead and put some water in the sink too so we can conserve our water. When you are shampooing locks, from the root to the beginning of your new growth, that is what you really want to focus on. Don't get me wrong, the whole lock is very important, but this is where all the build up is always at. So you really want to focus on that. Find a day that you have nothing to do. Don't be trying to do it on a day you got a bunch of stuff to do, because you get the best cleaning when you do it like this. Because I'm telling you guys, locks keep everything that you put in. And the good thing about it is my actual locks itself is not nasty. I mean, not nasty, but not dirty. As long as you make sure that you keep them clean, you should not, and putting crazy products, you should have no problem at all with this. It's just something about right here, product buildup, like no matter what product you use, because I use aloe vera gel and oil. Oil can tend to try to get like a little buildup too, water and oil. So that is why I make sure I focus on it. So today I'll be using this shampoo. This is a new shampoo that I'll be trying. If you guys try this, let me know how you like it. But if you guys follow me, know I love this. I've been using it for a while. They sent it to me a long time ago for a review, and I've been using it ever since. It's called Nourish Beauty. It is in my Amazon store. I will attach the links in the video description box. And that's one thing too, guys. Y'all always ask me where I get things from. Please check out my Amazon store. I have all kind of stuff inside that store. You're going to be getting it from Amazon. You're going to get it ASAP, but you're just going to basically have my referral. That's all it is. I told you about it. You basically using this link, and it's helping me out. So I would love for you guys to get it that way, because you guys is going to come just as fast and all that good stuff. But anyway, let's go ahead and go in. So what I'm going to do is I do each lock separately. Yes, guys, I do each lock separately. I do have a client at 1 o'clock, but I chose a time that I can be able to focus on. I put everything in sections. See that, in sections. And what I'm going to do is take my shampoo. I got the water inside the sink. I'm going to take the shampoo, and usually I lay it on a plate, like, and then I just grab it and I just really focus and massage this area right here. Because I'm telling you guys, especially even in the back, like my back section and my whole hairline section, for some reason, love to have buildup. So I really focus it on that. And again, like I said, you guys, I have water full of some warm water inside the sink, so I can be able to use that, and I put the shampoo on it. And like I said, really, to be honest with you guys, I really put the shampoo inside on a plate, but I forgot it. So you just take it, make sure I'm on the camera, all I'm doing, and just putting it on that part right there. We're going to focus on the rest of it, but this is I call this a deep shampoo. You really, because you guys, as you know, I don't condition, so I do deep shampoos. And you just keep on doing each section. It should take you about, I mean, like, I'm on camera, so I'm trying to go slow for you guys, but it should take you no more than 20 minutes to get this together. And then after you get that together, you just kind of let mine sit for a little bit. I go do something, and then I get in the shower and I rinse out. I am going to follow it up with my favorite shampoo. I always follow every shampoo up usually with my favorite shampoo unless it feels good. Like if it's the type of shampoo that my hair feel good after I use it, then I don't follow it up with my Nourish Beauty moisturizing shampoo. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to keep on continuing in sections. You see how I'm now getting the ends? So you can get the ends, but really focus on that root. And you will see how clean your locks really get. Because that's the worst. When you think your locks is clean and you see doing it in sections, let you know, okay, I'm done with this section. I got this section. But when you got hair just all over the place, you get frustrated. But that's the worst thing is when you wash your hair and you think your locks is clean and you look right in that little area, and that's where it's going to be. So like I said, you guys focus on that area. Okay, so I'm going to get finished, get to the front, and I'll be back. You guys got that new growth. I go so long in between my retwists. So you have a lot of new growth, and you want to be extra careful too while you are shampooing your hair because your hair is most vulnerable when it is wet. So be careful. So y'all see I'm really focusing on this area. And guys, if y'all got a dog or a kid, let them go potty first. Because why it seems like every time you're doing something, that's when somebody got a potty. So, which is gonna be actually cool because like I told you guys, I let my locks sit. So I'm gonna go take my dog to potty real quick. And as I'm doing that, I'm gonna put it actually in a ponytail. And then I'll finish the rest. But just like that, we're gonna take it to potty, and then I'll continue. And see, the good thing about it, I got it in sections, so I know I got these 3 sections to go. When I say, guys, this shampoo smell good, smell real good, and I love the way it feels on my hands. That's how you can tell if a shampoo is good or not, if it feels good on your hands. So I'm gonna go take her to potty. While I'm taking her to potty, leave comments below, guys, of what's your favorite shampoo. And if you tried this, did you like this also? Okay. Dump the water and then add the shampoo. And like I said, put the shampoo on a paper plate. It makes it so much easier to get to. So just keep on continuing, guys, section by section. And like I said, it makes it so much easier because I know how many more sections I got and all that good stuff. Always put your hair in sections. And really focus on that root, the tip area. Okay. And like I told you guys, I let mine sit for about a good 10-15 minutes, my shampoo, because I don't put conditioner in my hair. There's nothing wrong with people putting conditioner in your hair. You do what you want, but me and my clients, I tell them there's no need. I mean, I've been without conditioner for 4 years and it's been fine. Now, if you have dye in your hair, then yes, you most definitely want to listen to your stylist and they should give you a regimen to follow. Okay, guys, I'm going to get finished and I'll be back. And when you get done with the section, just take your hand and some water and go down the lock. And then when I'm done, that smells so good. You guys know I am such a smell person. I love the way it smells. And then I just put this on and then I put everything together and leave it in a ponytail and let it sit for about a good 10-15 minutes and I get all of my locks. So first root, all that new growth, and then the inner lock. Okay. Another thing I also wanted to tell you guys, once you get done rinsing out your shampoo in the shower, make sure you dry your hair and you go through and you pull your locks apart like this. You always want to, people call it popping locks, but pull your locks apart from each other, because when you wash or you go so long without retwist, your roots try to marry. So you just make sure that anytime, especially anytime you wash your hair, make sure you go through and make sure you do that to your roots, because you do not want your roots marrying. Okay, just wanted to come with that quick tip. Again, like I told you guys, I really focus on my roots. Now I went back through and I am focusing on the ends. And you see guys, I got one more section to do. And then once I'm done with that section, that's when I go in and really focus on all the ends. And then, like I said, I let it sit for about a good 15 minutes because I call it my deep cleansing shampoo. And then I rinse out and I let it dry, air dry. I might retwist and I might not. I'm not really sure. Usually I don't, but I think I might be in the mood for a retwist. And as you guys know, I actually interlock twice a year because I go long between my retwisting now, and it can tend to mess up your foundation because the roots, the new growth be so dangly and stuff. So that is why I started interlocking. I like them both. I'm gonna call myself not bilingual. I don't know, because I like both of them. Like I know somebody go ask me, do I like it? Do I like interlocking more, or do I like retwisting more? I like them both for different reasons. So I'm call myself a bi technique because I'm doing retwist and I'm doing interlocking. So I'm doing them both. So anyway, guys, let me get finished with this, and that's pretty much it, guys. And then once you, if you want to, some people add oil after you get done. Like once you rinse out. I don't like to add oil as soon as I rinse out, but it just depends, because sometimes I do, but I like to use dry oils. My hair does better with dry oils than heavy oils and stuff. So that is me showing you guys how to wash your hair. So when you have to wash your hair yourself, say for instance, if you go to a loctician, you didn't know how to wash your hair, now you know how to deep cleanse your hair, and knowing it's going to come nice and clean. Start from that root to the new growth, really focus on that, and then you go in and you focus on the rest of the hair and put everything in the sections like I told you. Hopefully that helped you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Once I get done, I'm going to put it all in a ponytail and just let it sit, and I'll rinse out. Okay, bye guys. Be blessed. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Now I am focused on the locks, like I told you guys. You have to focus on sections. You cannot do everything in sections. I mean, you have to do everything in sections. You can't just try to do one section and think everything will get clean. I love the shampoo, y'all. Oh my God, and you guys know I don't say that often. I love the smell of it. I love the way that it makes my hair feel. So guys, this shampoo is a thumbs up.